Welcome back. Today we will check whether a number is Armstrong number or not. For that, let's understand it with an example. We have a 3-digit number 371. Armstrong number is sum of its own digit whose having to the power the number of digit in a number. Okay, for example, here 371, which is a 3-digit number. Here we have 3 digit 371, so each digit have the power of the number of digit. Okay, that is 3. So let's check. Here the cube of 3 is 27, the cube of 7 is 343, and the cube of 1 is 371. This is Armstrong number. In other cases, for example, if number of digit is 4, for example, here 1634, the Armstrong number will be checked by checking the each digit having power 4 and the sum of each digit. Let's check. Here the number after summing up the digits is 1634. Let's check it with a Python program. Okay, let's check a Armstrong number of any digit. For that, let's create a function def exponent. Okay, now x is the number and a will be the 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit number. Okay, let's store the length of number a in y. Okay, and this exponent function return a value of a number having some power. Okay, x to the power length of o. Done here. Now create a function Armstrong. Okay, now ask the input from the user. Input, enter number. This is a string. Okay, for that we first have to convert this number which is in string into integer. For that, let's change its type int of a stored in x. Let's create two empty array, empty list d. Done here. Now we will store each digit of a number which is in integer form inside a list C. For that, let's for I in a. A is string. Okay, now store it into a list C. C dot append. Okay, it is in string. For that we must convert it into an integer int I. We're done here. We have stored the each digit in list C. Now we again apply a loop for I in. Here we mention Here C, we will traverse along a list C which store each digit of a number. Now we store the each digit to the power inside list D. For that, D dot append. Now we call the exponent function here. Exponent, pass first digit I, comma, and pass a number, that is A, which okay, done. Here we have obtained two digit. Let's print what we get in the output in list C and D. This function only print, not return anything. For that, return nothing. Okay. Now after getting out of the function, we print the output of Armstrong function. Okay, let's see. Enter any number 371. We have obtained one list 371 and another list which is the power of each digit, that is 27, 343 and 1. Done. Here now we will check the sum of each digit is equal to the number or not. For that, let's assign variable sum number equals to 0. Done. Here now we have to sum the exponents of each digit. For that, again we apply a loop. For I in D, we traverse along a list D which has power of each digit here. For that, and we sum the list number inside list D. Sum number plus equals to I. Hence we have obtained the sum here, which is the sum of 27, 343 and 1. Okay, now we check the condition. If sum number equals to int A, because A is in string type and we converted it into an integer. If it is in equal, we print yes, it is a Armstrong number. Okay, and else we print no, not a Armstrong number. Done. We have done with our code. Here we just slightly change mention here. Enter any number. We done with our code. Let's run our code. Okay, now enter any number 371. Yes, it is a Armstrong number. Let's delete this, print C and D to simplicity. Okay, 371. Yes, it is a Armstrong number. Now 555. No, it is not a Armstrong number. 1634. In our other case, we have mentioned this 4-digit number. Let's check this number. Yes, it is a Armstrong number. Let's check a 5-digit number. 82742. Okay, 82741. No, it is not a Armstrong number. Okay, let's check 5474 8. Yes, it is a Armstrong number. we done with our code. We have checked any number of digit, whether it is a Armstrong number or not. Here is our code. That's all.